ICET 2023 preliminary answer key has been released on the official website on 5th June 2023, along with the response sheets. Candidates who wish to check their ICET answer key 2023 as well as on how to challenge the answer key can follow the step-by-step guide in the next section. To download the answer key, follow these steps. Step 1. Candidates must visit the ICET official website. Step 2. Locate and click on the ICET answer key 2023 link. Step 3. Enter ICET login details. Step 4. The answer key of ICET 2023 will be available upon successful login. Step 5. Check and download the ICET 2023 answer keys. To challenge the answer key, they must follow the procedure specified by the exam authority. Step 1. Visit the official website of Kakatiya University. Step 2. Click on the key objections format link. Step 3. Make objections as per the format. Step 4. Under the prescribed format, candidates must enter the required information. For more information on ICET 2023, click the link in the description and check out our website at www.gatemuni.com.